quick project update here. I dropped off the downpipe at the shop that will be making our custom downpipes just now. I just got home. Everything seems to be good. The project timeline seems to be, we'll probably have something in hand for production in November, something like that. And there's added bonuses. While I was at the shop talking about the whole downpipe project, what we wanted with the catted pipe and a catless pipe, then figuring out if it's possible for them to do it with the flanges, all the other stuff that they got to figure out to develop it into the car. So that's fine. That's easy. They looked at the car and they decided that there's plenty of room to do what they need to do, and this will definitely be no problem. So the project timeline seems to be about November for us to see like some sort of production product for me to fit and figure out if it's all good and fine and dandy. I will try to get a dyno beforehand, and I'll get a dyno with the pipe installed afterwards. The second thing would be, as they showed me around the shop of their other projects, there was a nice exhaust they were working on. I think this one was stainless, but they can also do titanium. That sounds super fancy, right? Let's see. So that was a one-off, and as they said one-off, it reminded me of my one-off that I kind of want, and maybe, I mean, they could probably make a second one if one of you guys want one. Let me see, let me show you here. So over here, as we all know, this is the Suzuki Sport exhaust that I got. It should be the same as the Mazda Speed. I don't know of any differences other than the what do you call this thing? The little serial plate that's on here. The problem with this pipe is, at about 4,000 RPM and under, as your engine braking, it is ridiculously like loud. It just resonates in your brain, and then your brain turns to mush. I really like the symmetry. I always wanted dual exhaust on this car. When I first had my J-Works exhaust, that was just like that big trumpet that was over there. I prefer two tips. I don't know, I just like it. So I talked to the guy there to whether or not they can develop something for this that might help me out with my issue. The nice thing is there's so much room here for like resonators, mufflers, all kinds of stuff. So he looked at this and he believes he can make me something that will satisfy me. And I guess while my car is over there for them to do fitment production stuff, I can have them develop this as a side project for me too. He was talking about how they could probably put some resonators up this way and then like pipe them back out that way. I can probably look into probably splurging and getting titanium or something. I don't know what the weight difference is versus stainless, but as I remember, this pipe weighs about 18 pounds, I think. So it's not heavy, but you know, if it could be less, why not, right? Because less weight equals speed or power or both. Something like that. But that's it for today. This is my update of all the ongoing things, and I hope to have those pipes soon. I'll see you later. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and keep updated with the notification bell. Cool. I'll see you next time, or you'll see me next time.